Welcome, fellow writers and horror enthusiasts. Today, I shall share with you why I chose to use a Chromebook as my portable typewriter. I use a Lenovo IdeaPad 3 Chromebook, 14-inch. It has 4GB RAM, 64GB eMMC with cloud storage, and I use a 256GB microSD. As a horror author, my writing process is, of course, horrific. I find inspiration in the darkest corners of my imagination, and I need a tool that allows me to capture those thoughts wherever I go. When I go visit family, when I visit friends, or just get thirsty, the Chromebook offers the perfect combination of portability and functionality. Whether I'm sitting in a dimly lit graveyard or huddled in the corner of a dank alley, the Chromebook allows me to immerse myself in my writing without distractions. I also appreciate the simplicity of the Chromebook. There are no unnecessary bells and whistles to distract me from my work. It's just me, my thoughts, and the blank page. Chromebooks can access online apps, Android apps, and Linux. And perhaps most importantly, the Chromebook allows me to focus on what truly matters, telling compelling and chilling stories that keep my readers on the edge of their seats. So there you have it. That's why I chose to use a Chromebook as my portable typewriter. What about you? What tools do you use to bring your stories to life?
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a comment. Be sure to like and subscribe. Also, feel free to let me know what other kinds of videos you would like to see in the future.